Today's dish is a fish fry dish. These are the ingredients. We bought this fish from the local market. It's typical to tropical seas, this fish. We cut and wash it already. You can use any other fish variety for this particular dish. Others are, we have white pepper, seeds, then we have salt and egg and flour. So let's begin. Add little salt, sprinkle it on top of the fish and mix it. We recommend you to wear a hand gloves, otherwise your hands will become smelly. Now you can grind pepper seeds, white pepper,
black pepper, both are okay.
yeah, even black pepper is okay for this. Mix it properly
Yeah.
so that the salt penetrates into the fish.
If something like chili, they can put the chili also.
Yeah, as an added flavor, you can add chili, red chili powder. And if you want colored, you can add a little bit paprika powder too.
Put a little water.
Add water into the flour and mix it. The egg,
Yeah.
break the egg onto the flour and mix it properly.
Until it is like a liquid. You see, this is dry. So I have to put a little more water. Yeah, make it
Liquidy.
liquidy.
You can use chopsticks or
Mixer.
long fork or a mixer, to be precise, to get the right composition. Now the mix is liquidy
Yeah.
and very homogeneous. That's the right level of mixing. Immerse the cut and washed fish in the flour mix
And like this.
thoroughly so that the fish is fully covered
Yeah.
with the mix. All the fish to be dumped into the flour mix and coat nicely. Coating fish gives an added flavor onto the fish rather than frying fish
Yeah. See, I forgot.
without coating.
In the cooking this one, I put a little salt. Otherwise,
Salt you can add to your taste. Moderate level of salt is good enough. The advantage of coating fish is that the coating you can make to your required taste level. You can use various types of additives for the coat to get the required or desired taste. Now it looks the fish is coated nicely. Saucepan on the stove, add little oil. Let the oil come to the boiling point. Immerse the cut and washed fish in the flour mix
like this.
thoroughly so that the fish is fully covered with the mix. All the fish to be dumped into the flour mix and coat nicely. Coating fish gives an added flavor onto the fish rather than frying fish
Yeah. See, I forgot.
without coating.
In the cooking this one, I put a little salt. Otherwise,
Salt you can add to your taste. Moderate level of salt is good enough. The advantage of coating fish is that the coating you can make to your required taste level. You can use various types of additives for the coat to get the required or desired taste. Now it looks the fish is coated nicely. Saucepan on the stove, add little oil. Let the oil come to the boiling point. The oil has come to the boiling point. You can see that from the bubbles it emits. And you can reduce the temperature of the stove to avoid splashing the oil out. To check the right time, you can dip your chopsticks or bit of coating into the oil. Then you can see that oil has come to the right temperature. Now add coated fish into the oil. It is advised to use a larger frying pan so that the fish is accommodated as it is without a need to bend the fish. I think this saucepan is not large enough to accommodate this fish. Should now use a bigger upside down for even. When the coating comes to a golden color, that's the right time to take the fish out. By using oil to dip the fish completely makes it to be cooked evenly. A small cooking tip here: first time when you fry, the fish is not crispy.
yes, now
And the color is not very brown, as you can see from here. So you leave it like that.
put again.
Now,
You put again.
when you are about to serve,
Yeah,
you fry the fish again,
it's becoming
which makes it crispy and the color more brownish.
now crispy.
That's the second time fried fish. Now the color seems okay and it is more rigid and more crispy, and it is
See? Now,
nice for the bite. Soak it on tissue towels
Yeah.
so that the excess oil seep away, and decorate your dish. The dish is ready. It's crispy, hot and tasty. The second time frying has made the fish like this. You can keep this for some time, and whenever you serve, immediately fry it and serve. That would give a better taste. Thank you for watching. See you next time.